How often should I get my fridge maintained after moving it to a new location?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be discussing an important, but often overlooked topic. How often should you get your fridge maintained after moving it to a new location? We all know how crucial our refrigerator is to our daily life, and it's important to make sure it's always in its best condition. Let's dive right in.
Why is fridge maintenance necessary after moving?
Moving your refrigerator can be a complex process, as it involves transporting a heavy and delicate appliance. During the moving process, your fridge might experience some unexpected bumps and shakes. This could potentially impact its performance, which is why post-moving maintenance is crucial.
How often should you get your fridge maintained after moving?
As a rule of thumb, it's a good idea to have your fridge checked immediately after moving. This initial maintenance will help you detect any issues caused by the move itself. Then, depending on the age and model of your fridge, as well as the outcome of the initial checkup, routine maintenance should typically occur every 6 months to a year. But remember, this can vary based on the specific requirements of your refrigerator's manufacturer.
What does fridge maintenance involve?
Maintenance for a fridge generally involves the following steps. 1. Inspecting the thermostat and temperature. This ensures that your fridge is cooling properly. 2. Checking the door seals. This will ensure no cold air is leaking out. 3. Cleaning the coils. Dust and dirt can accumulate on your fridge's coils, affecting its performance. 4. Reviewing the overall operation of the fridge. This is a comprehensive check to make sure everything is functioning as it should. If there's anything wrong with your fridge, a professional will be able to detect and fix the problem during these checks. So, there you have it. After moving, make sure to get your fridge checked out as soon as possible, and then stick to a regular maintenance schedule based on your fridge's specific needs. Remember, keeping your fridge in tip-top shape is key to ensuring its longevity and optimal performance. Thanks for tuning in today, and we hope this information will be useful in your post-moving process.